The state today received thousands more doses of the COVID-19 vaccine. They were distributed to various hospitals across the state, and they'll be used to vaccinate employees and other healthcare workers in the community. The health department also requested an additional 7,800 doses, which is expected to arrive next week. As more vaccines arrive, the urgency grows to make sure there are enough people willing to take them. Manolo Morales reports.
According to a survey, health officials say less than half of the general public are willing to take the vaccine. The goal is to have 70% of the population vaccinated to get herd immunity.
So we have a lot of work to do in terms of communication in the next few months.
Dr. Sandra Chang is a faculty member at the John A. Burns School of Medicine, which is working with the health department to let the public know that the vaccine is safe and efficient. She says there's likely no point in reaching out to those who have already made up their mind against the vaccine.
Our goal is to maybe address more the people who are what we call vaccine hesitant, people who are unsure and haven't really decided if they're going to get vaccinated or not.
It's still a few more months before there's enough vaccine for the general public, but the work has been going on to make sure the right information is getting out, especially to those considered high-risk groups, such as Native Hawaiians, Pacific Islanders, and Filipinos. That comes with its own set of obstacles.
The big challenge from a communications perspective is that our translations take time, right? We translate, in Hawaii, we translate into 16 languages, which is really extraordinary.
Officials point out that community leaders, pastors, and healthcare workers are now at the front line in relaying accurate information. It's important that the public get it from those they trust.
Even hula halaus, talking to kumu hula and trying to get them to understand and communicate to their students that, this is something that is worthwhile doing.
The biggest enemy is misinformation, which is readily available through social media and other outlets.
Misinformation takes root when sources of information that are credible don't have answers. And so that's our goal, is to make sure that the folks that people turn to for information have answers.
Manolo Morales, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.